basically left you out in the cold. They disappointed you. Some of you maybe they took away some money from you, because Five of Pentacles can literally be bankruptcy. So maybe they took money from you and you were really left homeless, or you had a very difficult situation because of this person. This person now wants to sneak back into your life because they do not like the fact that you are doing good for yourself. So I see that you are moving forward in your life. You are out of this very difficult, dark phase. Some of you might have also had a miscarriage if you were pregnant, all right? Or maybe there was just emotional turmoil that was going on in your life. But the good thing is that you're now able to move on. So now you're taking things slow and you're moving one step at a time. What else? Fool card. Ooh, Fool card. What is about this new energy, Sagittarius? This is such a beautiful reading already. I see that you are definitely taking new turns in your life. You're going after new things. You're making things happen in your life. And all of this is actually going to make you shine like a star. So some of you might also get some sort of recognition in your work, or just, in general, I see a lot of healing happening. You might have also become very spiritual these days with the High Priestess and the Star. That spirituality element comes in. So maybe you are meditating, you are into healing, you're doing yoga, I don't know, whatever you're doing, it is working. That, your glow is coming back, and people might be seeing you and they might be telling you things like, what are you doing these days? Like, you look so fresh and you look so better. Your energy is so high vibration. So you are doing something which is working. Let me know in the comments, what are you doing? And you're very desperate for a new beginning. Like, you literally feel that you have done whatever you could. You waited very long for this person. You waited for this person to change. And because they did not, so now you're like, bye, I'm going on a new journey. Okay. Sagittarius, feelings for this person. Five of Cups. So I see that for most part you have healed, or you want to heal, but there could be something that still bothers you. I see that you want to hear from this person. Some of you want some sort of clarity because maybe this person ghosted you. There's still a little bit of confusion when it comes to this person, because they kind of just left your life out of nowhere, and they never really gave you any closure, which has led to a lot of confusion. So some of you, you feel that you would want to hear from this person, or you would like to get some clarity. But the good thing is that you're not waiting for that clarity. You want that clarity, but you're not waiting for it. You're still doing you and you're moving forward, all right? And you're going full speed. You are rushing so quickly in your life, doing one thing after the other. People just want to get caught a hold of you. They want to, they just want to know, where are you, what are you doing these days, and stuff like that, because you are just doing you. And people be like, where is Sagittarius? Last time they were seen here. All right, let's see this person's energy towards you, Sagittarius. Oops. Two of Swords and the King of Swords. Somebody has you on their mind. This person has not been able to move on in their life. They thought that they would ghost you and then they will move on. But with the Two of Swords energy, I see this person is still very, very stuck on you. And the Knight of Cups and the Four of Pentacles again shows that somebody is stuck on you, all right? This person was being very, very stubborn with the King of Swords energy. I see this person was very headstrong and they wanted things in their way, like my way or highway kind of person. Like, they just want everything to happen in their particular way. And if you do not do things as per them, they would not approve, all right? And they will start creating mess. So I see somebody was being very cold, very stubborn, and they just promised you so much, but they never gave it to you, all right? With the Two of Swords energy, they never made a choice. Whenever you asked them for commitment or whatever, they just denied the whole thing. They never took action. They never acknowledged, all right? That's the problem. They never even acknowledged the thing. And they were just being very distant, unnecessarily. Yeah, Two of Pentacles. I see that you are just trying to go with your life. That's the good thing. You are doing multiple things. These days, you are multitasking, Sagittarius. You're doing a lot of things at once, and you're just choosing you. You are not letting anybody or anything stop your life, and you're just going for whatever you want. Some of you might be doing multiple things, multiple jobs maybe, or just multiple things in your life because you want to distract yourself. You want to keep yourself busy. So you are doing something which is keeping you very, very occupied. Ace of Cups. Wow, I see a very beautiful relationship coming towards you. Could be with a water sign, could be another fire sign. So I see very good relationship coming in. But all of this is going to happen when you heal, when you focus on your healing, when you heal and you move on with your life, you keep on moving and you do not get stuck in the same cycle. That's when it's going to happen. Because many people in the comments be like, I cannot see a new person coming into my life. Bitch, because you haven't healed. Because you're not moving on with your life. That is why you're not able to see a new person, all right? So with the Ace of Cups and the Two of Wands, I definitely see a new beginning in love, and that could be with somebody who lives at a distance, for maybe a long distance relationship. But it's gonna happen when you heal and you do not get stuck in the same cycle over and over again, all right? Because you try to do that. We all try to do that. Seven of Wands. I see in the past somebody was just being very, very stubborn. Like, who the fuck were you dealing with? This person is so stubborn. They would not make a decision. Every time you ask them to make a decision, they step back. And there was just not an equal give and take. With the Two of Pentacles and the Seven of Wands, I see only one person was putting in all the work and the other person was not doing anything. They were just not contributing. And that kind of led to a burnout. You felt that, why am I doing so much? This person is not even recognizing. Why am I taking a stand for this person when this person does not take any stand for me? And now I see that you're being very determined to make your life good. All right, so all that determination that you were putting in that person, now you're trying to put that determination in your own life, and you're fighting for things that you want in your life, as in you're going after your goals, your dreams and ambitions, and you're making things happen. Some of you, I also see that you might be investing money somewhere and it's going to give you very good returns. Or you might also get a new job, and as in you will face a competition first. Like, you will have to compete, but ultimately you're going to win. That's the Seven of Wands energy. The Eight of Swords. Again, your message is to not be stuck in the same energy, all right? You might be tempted to stay stuck and sabotage the things and maybe think about the past. Don't try to do that. Every time you get a thought about this past person, try to distract yourself and try to move forward, all right? Okay, let's see this person's energy towards you, Sagittarius, your past person. Three of Swords. Ooh, somebody is heartbroken over you. This person is hurt. With the Two of Cups, the Death card, I see they also feel that they missed a shot with you. Some of you, this person thinks that you left them. Like, you ended the connection. They never expected you to move on. They thought that you are going to be in the same cycle and over again. They thought that this toxicity is going on for such a long time and it will go for such a long time. Like, Sagittarius is not going anywhere. They were very assured, but you gave them a surprise. You left, and this person is like, what the fuck? This person is missing you because they were never expecting that you would move on. So you basically doing you and you moving on and you being so determined to make your life good is actually shocking somebody. Yeah, Nine of Cups. This person might try to come back, but I also see that you have a very, very good option that's coming in love for you. Much better than this person who's coming back with so much of drama. Like, they put your life through so much of drama. They basically burdened you with so much of responsibility. It was only you who was carrying the burden of the connection. Now you're just unburdening, you're taking back your control, and somebody is not liking it. What new can Sagittarius expect? Ace of Swords. This reading is screaming new, all right? I see a new person, a very good relationship popping for you in the future. This person is going to go full-fledged. They're going to make a lot of efforts for you. That's what the Ace of Swords. This connection is going to feel very balanced because there's going to be intellect and there's going to be emotion. So it's going to be a blend of heart and head. Your next person is going to be a balance of both heart and head. They are going to be using their brain. They are also going to be very emotionally interested as well. So you're going to feel very content. But that is going to happen when you focus on your healing and you move forward. Somebody is in love with you, but I see that there's distance as well because this person lives at a distance. And for that, you have to let go of this toxic, narcissistic fuckboy of yours. because there is someone coming back who is a fuckboy. They want to come back to create the same mess in your life. Don't allow them. Ten of Pentacles. This is so beautiful. You are attracting a very solid commitment, a be-all end-all kind of relationship. It's going to be a two-way effort. You and this person will both be making the connection work, not like your past relationship where you were the only one and this person was breadcrumbing. Your next relationship is not going to be that. It's going to be very stable. It's going to be a blend of emotion and brain both. I see that you were the one who was doing everything in your past relationship. You were the one who was trying to make things happen. But this person never did it, right? They just distanced themselves. They were just being very rude to you for no reason. They were just being very cold. And now you're trying to move on and doing good for yourself. And that is why universe is blessing you in return. I remember there was a girl, she was telling me that as soon as I started investing in myself, I see universe opened so many opportunities for me. And that's exactly what happens when you invest in yourself, when you take care of yourself. Universe is going to unlock so much for you. But for that, you have to first value yourself. I see that in the past you were doing so much for somebody, they never valued you. And now your message is to not make somebody realize your worth. They will realize it anytime. You don't have to do that. You just keep moving on, all right? When they will see that they do not have any access to you, they will automatically realize it. This reading here is screaming new, new, new. Go for the new, all right? Three of Pentacles, wow. I see your next person, they just want to collaborate with you and they want to make things happen. Like, this is not the person who will expect you to do everything. They are going to make it happen with you as well. But for that, you have to take initiative and stop being cold and stop being distant. I see that in the whole process, you also became very distant and you also became a little cold. You have taken up this cold nature because you want to protect yourself, because you have felt this loss so deeply. Now it's time to melt your heart and let people come into your life, all right? I see that in the past you have been so hurt because you just kept on expecting and somebody kept on exploiting. But now you're like, I don't want anybody. I don't know if love is true or not. Do not ever lose hope in life, all right? Hope is a very big thing. Six of Wands, wow, this is such a beautiful energy. The Temperance is also here. So yeah, your message is to basically balance your life and focus on your healing, because Temperance is again healing, and go for what you want. Go for things that light up your soul, because that's going to bring in so much of victory. And for some of you, if you're in the public eye, I also see recognition. So maybe you might be doing something and you are going to get recognition out of it. So I see people are recognizing your work, your effort, and how you have grown up so well through all of this. You have dealt with so many things. You still are very, very strong, and people recognize that. So many people have their eye on you, by the way. Like, in a good way, they want to admire you. And yeah, I definitely see a very big change when it comes to your love life, a very balanced connection. But you just have to basically stop being distant. You're just not allowing anybody because you've become very distant in your own self. Stop being so hard on yourself. Chariot, yeah. I see some really good growth in your career. This is a love reading I'm doing, but again and again I get messages for career, like some sort of hike in career, some sort of money, some sort of position. So yeah, I see a lot of growth and expansion when it comes to your personal life, your career, and etc. And maybe you're doing so well, that's why you're just attracting a lot of attention. Like, people are seeing that Sagittarius is doing so well in their life. Let me just be their friend. Let me just, ask them out, something like that, Four of Swords. And your past person, they realize that you're trying to take a break from them. Your past person is really upset that you're trying to take a break and you're not paying any heed to them. You're moving ahead in your life and you're doing good when it comes to money and position, and somebody is not happy seeing that. Nine of Pentacles. Do I need to say anything more when it comes to money? Some of you are manifesting this abundance and universe is hearing you. And position, like what the fuck is this position that you're gaining? You're gaining something. I see a lot of abundance. Like this is a love reading, but I see a lot of abundance. Some of you I also see a pregnancy, like with the Nine of Swords. It could be a miscarriage, but here with the Empress, I see you'll be able to conceive. And whatever financial upheavals you are having, everything is going to resolve. And when it comes to love, it's from a new person. A new person, a very balanced energy is entering in your life, which is not going to waste your time. Don't try to allow this past person to come back to waste your time. Alright, I see a past person will try to come back to waste your time. Don't allow them. Alright, this is just a fuckboy trying to enter in your life again. Do not allow. Alright. Give yourself a chance in love again, because you deserve love. You absolutely deserve love. Eight of Pentacles. This reading is all about pentacles. Your money, 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 honey. Give me a message for Sagittarius. Wow. Keep an open mind. Again, didn't I tell you this in the whole freaking reading? Keep an open mind. Melt your heart. Do not try to be so harsh on yourself. There is somebody who wants to come into your life, but you're just being very, very hard on yourself. Don't do that. Playfulness. See, again, to recapture romance, allow your inner youth of spirit to shine. I say that you're being very stubborn. You're just trying to be very hard on yourself, and that is why you cannot see love coming into your life. Love is definitely into your life. It is around you, but you just have to be a little accepting. All right, keep an open mind, because there is someone who's very interested, but maybe because you're just keeping yourself at a distance, this person is still kind of scared to approach. But yeah, I see someone very, very interested. So yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.